everyone, how are you? Today we are going to learn about shapes. Let's start with 2D shapes. What are 2D shapes? They are flat shapes with two dimensions, length and width. What the mean of flat? Flat means that if we put this 2D shape on a paper, we can see a volume. It will be the same like the paper. And D is 4 dimension. We have two parts. The first part, we called it side, and its plural is sides. And the second part is vertex, and its plural is vertices. What the mean of the side? Like our photo, the side is a line segment. This is a side, and this is a side, and this is a side. Here in this photo, in this 2D shape, we have 3 sides. What is the vertex? The vertex is the corner where sides meet. When one side meets another side, the point between them, we called it vertex. In this shape, 2D shape, we have 3 vertices. Note, let's remember together that the number of sides equal the number of vertices. Let's listen together to a song about 2D shapes.
It's a circle, it's a circle, a circle is round. It's a circle, it's a circle, a circle is round. Look up and down, look all around. Do you see circles? Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. Look all around you. Can you see triangles? It's a square, it's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square, it's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look over there. Can you see squares? I see squares. Rectangle, oval, diamond, star. Rectangle, oval, diamond, star. Rectangle, oval, diamond, star.
Examples for 2D shapes. Number 1 is called triangle. Triangle. How many sides in the triangle? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And how many vertices? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So the triangle has 3 vertices. Note, any shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices is called triangle, like the pink one and the purple one. Second shape is called square. Square. How many sides in the square? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. And how many vertices? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices. Third shape is called rectangle. Rectangle. How many sides in the rectangle? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. And how many vertices? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices in the rectangle. This is called a circle. The fourth shape is called circle. Circle. How many sides in the circle and how many vertices? The circle We called it Mr. Zero. It have no sides and no vertices. Now let's open our booklet. These are called 2D shapes. Number 1 is called circle, circle. Number 2, triangle, triangle. Number 3, square, square. And the last shape is called rectangle, rectangle. We will write the word circle. How to write it? C-I-R-C-L-E. Then, how to write triangle? Triangle. Third shape, rectangle. How to write rectangle? Rectangle. Then the last shape, square. How to write square? Square. Now let's move to this page. Match the shapes to the names. Draw a line to match the name to the shape. First name of the shape is triangle, triangle. Which one of these shapes is triangle? The first or the second or third or fourth? Yes, it's the fourth shape. And second name of shape is circle, circle. Which one of the shapes is circle? It's the first shape, it's circle. Then we have square. Which one of this is a square? The second or the third? It will be the second shape. Then we have the last one is rectangle, rectangle. This is the rectangle. Now, let's match the real object surface with the suitable 2D shapes. We have a yellow square, so we will match it with the yellow balloon. This is a balloon. Now, we have a green circle. Which one of these shapes like the green circle? Very good, it's a pizza. It's like a green circle. Then we have a blue triangle. Blue triangle. It looks like the triangle is used for traffic. Then the last shape is rectangle. Which one of this is like the rectangle shape? The bag, the red bag. Now let's count the shape and write the number. How many shapes do you see? Let's count the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangles. And how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 squares. And how many circles? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 circles. And how many rectangles? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rectangles. What color should the shapes be? The circle will be with the red color and square with the orange, triangle with the yellow color and rectangle with the green color. Now let's color them together. Let's color the circle with the red color. Let's move to the triangle. With which color? With the yellow color. Let's color it. Let's move to the square. Let's color it with the orange. The last shape is the rectangle. Let's color the rectangle with the green color. Trace and draw the shapes. Number 1 is called circle. Trace the circle and then draw it. Second shape, square. Trace square and draw square. Third shape, rectangle. Trace and draw. The last shape is called triangle. Trace the triangle and draw it. Corners and sides. What is the meaning of corner? It's the same of the vertex. They are equal. First shape, what is the shape name? First shape is a triangle. The number of corners in the triangle are 3. And the number of sides in the triangle are also 3. Then the second shape, we call it circle. Circle. How many corners? We call the shape Mr. Zero. So we have 0 corners. And how many sides? 0 sides. Then let's move to the rectangle. Rectangle. How many corners? 4. And how many sides? There are also 4. The last shape, we call it square. Square. How many corners in the square? 4. And how many sides? 4 also. Now let's move to know how many sides in each shape of this. First shape is circle. Circle. Let's choose the correct answer. How many sides in the circle? 0. Excellent. And how many sides in the square? How many sides? Let's remember together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides in the square. And how many sides in the triangle? 3 sides. Then at the rectangle, how many sides? 4 sides. This shape is called diamond. Diamond. How many sides in the diamond? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And the last shape, its name is oval. Oval. It looks like the circle. We can call it also Mr. Zero. So how many sides? 0.